Well, let's begin our time with just a little bit of silence, and so we can center ourselves, and then we'll see how where the Lord leads us. Okay,
Thank you.
so let's just be still. Just continue just being still. We're taking this moment just to slow down, calm our hearts, calm our minds. Just relax. Just breathe. Just know the stillness. Be mindful of our breath, breathing in, breathing out. Breathe in peace and love, and let go of all anxiety and stress. So just breathe in and breathe out, and just center yourself. Be friends with your body right now. Feel your shoulders, your head, your neck, your shoulders. This is the vessel that you use to transport yourself around this world. We're thankful for this means of transportation. It gives us the ability to feel, gives us the ability to touch, gives us the ability to hear, smell. We sometimes take it for granted. Our legs and knees and our feet, these are the ways that we can walk in and out of our friends and our loved ones' lives, giving us the ability to be present and an aid to help. And your body is also a dwelling place for the Holy Spirit, because your body is a temple. We have to show respect to our body, because it is a temple for the Spirit to dwell. So continue to just breathe and be mindful of those breaths in and out. Breathing in peace, breathing in love, and exhaling out all the anxiety, the stress. Taking in love and peace. Now put your hands on your lap, pointing upwards and open, like releasing You're letting go. You're letting go of all that is troubling you at this time. It's an openness, a gesture of being open to all that the Lord wants to reveal to you this very moment. So open your hands, a sign of surrender. Now in the stillness, in this moment now, invite Spirit to reveal to you a direction that comes to mind. Invite the Spirit to share with you an area that needs to be talked about today. Some area that you may need further discernment. We open ourselves to the Spirit, and may you open yourself to the Spirit to guide you. If there's a number of things that come to mind, imagine a table before you and you're placing them on the table, these different areas or issues, and then just lay them there. And then ask the Spirit to illumine to you which subject, which area you'd like to share. Now in your mind's eye, just look at these things now before you, these areas you've placed there, and ask the Spirit, well, which ones should I discuss today? Bring out into conversation. We're grateful, Lord, for this time of peace, time to slow down, time to relax, a space to share.